Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we pit products against each other in a battle of the best. Today, we're comparing two titans of the tidy, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max and the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo. Let's see which one will clean up the competition. First off, let's talk about price. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max is a budget-friendly option at $249. That's right, it's cheaper than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo comes in at a whopping $599. For that price, it better mop my floors, do my taxes, and sing me a lullaby. When it comes to cleaning performance, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max is no slouch. It runs up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors and has Boost IQ technology that automatically increases suction when needed. Reviewers love its strong suction for pet hair and its ability to navigate tight spaces. On the other hand, the Loorow takes it up a notch with its 4,500 pascals suction power and a 120-minute runtime. Reviewers praise its exceptional cleaning performance and its ability to handle multiple surfaces with ease. eufy keeps things simple with its anti-scratch tempered glass top cover, infrared sensors, and drop sensing tech. Reviewers appreciate its straightforward features and ease of use. Loorow, on the other hand, is the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. It vacuums, mops, and empties itself into a 3.2L dust bag that can hold up to 60 days of dirt. Reviewers are impressed with its multifunctionality and convenience. eufy's navigation is solid with infrared sensors and drop sensing technology. However, Loorow's PreciSense LiDAR navigation is next level. It creates accurate maps and can be controlled via Alexa and Google Assistant. Reviewers find Loorow's navigation to be highly accurate and convenient, making it feel like having a tiny, obedient cleaning minion. eufy keeps it straightforward with basic cleaning modes, but Loorow offers 6 cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual clean. Reviewers love the flexibility and customization that Loorow provides, ensuring there's a mode for every cleaning need. Overall, reviewers find the eufy RoboVac 11S Max to be a reliable and affordable option that excels in straightforward cleaning tasks. It is particularly praised for its quiet operation and effectiveness on pet hair. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is celebrated for its powerful suction, advanced navigation, and multifunctionality, making it a great choice for those willing to invest in a high-end cleaning solution. So which one takes the crown? If you're on a budget and want a reliable, straightforward cleaner, the eufy RoboVac 11S Max is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and want a vacuum that does it all, vacuuming, mopping, and even emptying itself, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in, smart shoppers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep shopping smart.